Good afternoon. Welcome to Trendy Store. Good afternoon. How can I help you today? I would like to return this shirt, please. Certainly. May I ask why would you like to return it? It's too small for me. I understand. Do you have the receipt? Yes, here it is. Thank you. You're welcome. When did you buy this shirt? I bought it 2 days ago. The shirt is in good condition. Yes, I haven't worn it. Would you like a refund or an exchange? I would like to exchange it for a larger size. Of course, let me check if we have your size. Thank you. Yes, we have a larger size. That's great. Here is the new shirt. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. See you again.